Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can deploy a website on Netlify. I'm going to be showing you guys I'm going to be showing you two methods on how you can do this. Now the first method guys is you want to click here, it says add a new site, and you want to click on deploy manually. Okay, so after that you want to click on browse to upload, or you can just drag the files here. As you can see, drag and drop, it's offline. Make sure, as you can see, drop folder with your site is HTML, CSS and JS files. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to click on upload here. I'm going to select here my fake website. It's like just a random website I've created a few seconds ago. I'm going to click here on upload, and I'm going to click here on upload again. Okay, after that you just need to wait a few seconds. As you can see, now this is the website. Just click on open production deploy, and as you can see, this is just a random like drag and drop files website. Okay, so you can, another way guys is you can, like, if you have like a Git associated with your website, you can just click on add a new website here in the top right and click on import an existing project, and you want to select here the provider. In my case, I'm going to go with GitHub. Now after that you will have to connect it. As you can see, now you want to click on the website here or the project, and you want to give the, as you can see, you want to enter here, type in the site name here, which is like a new drag files website or something like that, and then you want just ignore all of this and click on deploy and at the bottom. Okay, and it's going to take a few seconds, just a few seconds before that. As you can see, this is now, it's, as you can see, it says here site deploy in progress. It takes, I would say, like 10 seconds for this to complete. So that's exactly how you can do this guys, assuming you already have your website, your project on GitHub. You can choose other providers, okay, or you can just do that manually. You can just upload your files or directly on Netlify. Now this is the website. Just click on it and it's going to take you guys directly to the website. Like this is, it will show you also here how many websites you have here. Okay, so that's exactly guys how you can do this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial. If you have drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.